In this question, we're going to have a look at transforming graphs. So just to start with, I'm going to call y f of x in this case, and I'll show you why that helps later on. So f of x equals 1 over x for this question. It's telling us that it's translated by the vector 3, 0. So the top vector affects the x plane. So because it's a positive 3, that means that all x values in the curve are moved 3 units to the right. So if we plot y equals 1 over x, it'd be something like this. I'm sorry. But all the units are being shifted 3 units to the right. That's what's happening here. How we represent that in terms of a transformation is we say it's f of x minus 3. Because when it's inside of the bracket, it's the opposite. So x minus 3 suggests 3 units to the right. And how that translates to this function is wherever there's x, you replace it with x minus 3. So it'll be 1 over x minus 3 is your answer for part A. Sorry about my handwriting. But moving on to part B, say the equation of the asymptote of the transformed graph. So if we look at the untransformed graph, if that's a word, the asymptotes are where x equals 0 and y equals 0. Now I mentioned, so that's for y equals 1 over x. If I change pen color, I mentioned 1 over x plus 3 is what x minus 3, sorry, is what happens when you move this whole graph 3 units to the right. So the asymptote will now be where x is equal to positive 3. It will look something like this. So we have it's where x equals 3. But in terms of y, there's no change. So it's still where y equals 0. Hopefully that made sense. If you have any questions with that, just let me know in the comments. Otherwise, please like the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe, I'll post a new one tomorrow. And I'll put my email in the description if you have any tutoring inquiries.